Hi, this is Galanda Brooker, a ClickUp implementation consultant at Tech Consulting Group. Today, we're going to go over how to navigate your home screen. Now, your home screen is like your personal dashboard. This is where you can see your most important work. So let's get to it. Of course, over here is your left navigation pane, where you can see shortcuts to different areas of your ClickUp environment and then your various spaces. But we're going to focus in this right 3/4 area of your screen. Now at the very top is your lineup, and your lineup is where you can add tasks that are important to you to be working on for the day. It's very easy to add to it. You can just click add to lineup. Then you could scroll, or you can start to type in what you want to put. Left click to select it, and there it is. Shows up right in there. So these are the 3 tasks that are important. Well, actually, I think I have 4 in here. 4 tasks that I think that are important. Now, if you decide, like, let's say I don't need this top right navigation, it's not priority today, I can simply X. The next area is the trending area, and this is an area that you don't manually control. This is controlled by the application, and these are the tasks that you have been the most active in recently. So if there's 3 or 4 tasks that you've been doing a lot of work in, they'll automatically show up in this trending area. Now at the bottom is the My Work area, and this is where the real good stuff for you resides. So in the to-do area, you have 4 sections: what's due today, what's past due, what's coming up next, and things that may be unscheduled. As you can see here, I don't have any unscheduled tasks, but let's go through. So today I have 1 task that I'm doing, navigating through my content in ClickUp. And you can open up the task right from here very easily, close it up. But even without opening it, you can change the status, you can change the date, you can even delegate it to someone, and if it's no longer a valid task, you can also delete it from here. You have your overdue tasks, which there's plenty for me to still do here. And then what's next? These are tasks that are coming up over the next week, so that you can have an idea of what is the additional work that I need to do. Now on the right-hand side, you can also see by date. This is on September. If I click on today, then I see navigating through my content and ClickUp. That's what I need to do today. You can click the arrows to see what's due, or you can select a particular day. And that's how you navigate through your home screen. Thanks for taking the time to learn how to navigate through your home screen. To get more tips about ClickUp and how your company can use it to improve your project management and operations, visit techconsultinggroup.com/ClickUp.